Hello, Assalamualaikum friends. Today we are going to learn some interesting facts about rain. So let's dive into the fascinating world of rain. The water cycle dance. Rain is a critical part of the water cycle. It begins when the sun heats water on the earth's surface, turning it into vapor. This vapor rises, cools, and condenses into clouds. When the clouds get too heavy, they release raindrops. Raindrop sizes. Raindrops come in various sizes, ranging from tiny droplets to larger ones. The size of raindrops can influence the sound of rain. Smaller drops create a softer sound, while larger drops produce a more intense pitter patter. Rainy regions. Not all places on earth receive the same amount of rainfall. The rainiest place on earth is Mawsynram in India, where it can rain up to 467 inches. That is 11,871 millimeters in a year. In contrast, the driest desert, Atacama Desert, sees very little rain. Petrichor magic. Ever noticed a pleasant scent after the rain? That delightful fragrance is called petrichor. It's caused by the release of oil from plants and soil bacteria when rain hits the ground. Rainbow connection. Rainbows are created when sunlight is refracted or bent in raindrops, splitting the sunlight into its various colors. The order of colors in a raindrop is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Rainfall records. The most rainfall recorded in 1 minute occurred in Maryland, USA on July 25, 1979, when 1.23 inches, 31.2 millimeters, fell in just 60 seconds. Wow, amazing! Thrusty clouds. Did you know that a single rain cloud can weigh millions of pounds? That's because of the vast amount of water droplets suspended in the air. When these droplets join together and become too heavy, they fall as rain. Rain's shape shifting abilities. Rain doesn't always come in the familiar form of straight down drops. Depending on atmospheric conditions, rain can appear as drizzle, sleet, freezing rain, or even hail, each with its own unique characteristics. Rainforest, rainfall. Rainforests get their name for a reason. They receive a tremendous amount of rainfall. The Amazon rainforest, for example, experiences an annual rainfall of about 120 inches, that is 3,000 millimeters on average. Global water distribution. Less than 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water, and only a small fraction of that is readily available as surface water. Rain plays a critical role in replenishing freshwater sources like rivers, lakes, and aquifers. Colorful rain. In certain parts of the world, rain can appear colored. This phenomenon, known as colored rain, happens when dust or other particles in the atmosphere mix with raindrops, giving the rain a tinted hue. Raining animals. Believe it or not, there have been documented cases of animal rain. Yes, animal rain. This unusual occurrence happens when small creatures like fish, frogs, or even spiders get caught up in updrafts and fall from the sky along with raindrops. Desert rain miracles. Some deserts experience rare instances of heavy rain causing desert blooms. Seeds lying dormant in the dry soil can suddenly sprout, and the barren landscape transforms into a colorful array of flowers. Rain's impact on mood. Many people find the sound of rain soothing and calming. This is not just a coincidence. The rhythmic sound of rain can trigger the release of serotonin in the brain, promoting relaxation and improving mood. Microscopic rainbows. Raindrops not only create large rainbows but also tiny ones. If you look closely at a raindrop, you might notice a miniature rainbow inside. These micro rainbows are caused by the same principles that create larger rainbows. Invisible rain. Yes, invisible rain. Not all rain is visible to the naked eye. Virga is rain that evaporates before it reaches the ground, creating strikes or trails beneath clouds. It's like rain that disappears before it even has a chance to touch the earth. Cryovolcanic rain on other planets. While Earth has water rain, other planets and moons in our solar system experience different types of rain. For example, on Saturn's moon Titan, it's believed that there are cryovolcanoes that erupt with icy materials, creating a rain of liquid methane and ethane. Rain's unique sound signature. Each type of precipitation has a distinct sound. Raindrops, hail, and snow produce different noises when hitting surfaces. Researchers have even developed algorithms to distinguish these sounds, enabling automated weather monitoring. The 40-day rain. One of the longest continuous periods of rain on record occurred in Hawaii in 1982. Hurricane brought rain to the islands for an astonishing 40 days, causing widespread flooding and significant challenges for the residents. Rain's role in art and literature. Rain has inspired countless artists and writers throughout history, from romantic scenes in literature to famous paintings capturing rainy atmospheres. This natural phenomena has played a significant role in human creativity. And friends, there you have it. That was of rain. This prophet tells a unique story from the microscopic of within raindrops. Let's go on to rain. And it's clear that rain is much more than just water falling from the sky. As you listen to the tap tap of rain on the roof, or witness the magic of rain after raindrops, remember, things feel done is the water cycle that makes it all possible. Whether it's like the fluency or the moving vibrant rainfall, rain plays a vital role on our planet. So, the next time you find yourself caught in a downpour or enjoying the gentle patter of raindrops, take a moment to appreciate the wonders that unfold with every precipitation. Rain, in its various forms and expressions, adds beauty and rhythm to the symphony of nature, reminding us of the interconnected dance of earth and sky. So, my friends, as we conclude this exploration, may you carry with you a newfound appreciation for a remarkable phenomena that is rain. Feel free to return anytime for more insights into the wonders of our world. Thank you, friends. Hope you like my video and hope you enjoyed these interesting facts about rain. Please do subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you.